as history has it, all these voices are meant to keep the U.S. rolling in a vicious circle of endless wars, and they will continue to do so. Many issues have been reported on the Strait of Hormuz. Is this particular issue linked to Iran and the Sultanate of Oman? And recently, an Iranian officials paid a visit to Oman, and the Iranian foreign minister has conveyed a verbal message to his Omani counterparts. How do you comment? I would like to point out a number of issues on this particular subject. We are aware that the Strait of Hormuz constitutes a deep concern to the whole world, and as together with Oman are overlooking the waterway, we have more responsibilities. We should consider national interests and the security of Iran. At the same time, we should take into account the international concerns with respect to the Strait of Hormuz. Both Iran and Oman are doing their best to arrive at an impactful dynamic which is conducive to restoring confidence for a safe passage within the Strait of Hormuz. This waterway can be benefited by all the world's countries in terms of safe trade and maritime traffic. However, as a result of the U.S. Zionist aggression against Iran, as this particular Strait of Hormuz was used to launch attacks against a country which is member to the United Nations. We are doing all what we can in line with the international law to arrive at a lawful dynamic to manage the traffic at this waterway. And the Iranian foreign minister's message to Muscat falls within this context. Many bilateral communications have put to discussion and expressed deep concern, and many countries have expressed their rejection of the Zionist American aggression against Iran and its impact on the waterway. And when it comes to safe traffic at the Strait of Hormuz, we welcome any proposal by any world country.